All right, guys, what is up? So I'm out here with the old four-seater, just doing some cleaning on her. She's been through a lot. I needed to get her cleaned up, but just kind of cleaning up. One thing on these with the Mavericks, they have a wide body. You end up hitting a lot of brush, at least where I ride. So you get a lot of this. Hopefully you guys can see that, but just the scratching, just the Rocky Mountain pinstripes. And I'm just gonna work on these and just kind of show you guys. I've got a couple different little tricks just from my car experience. Show you guys this. So this, you can put either a battery or you can plug it in if you're gonna use it for long periods of time. But this is called Rupes or Rupes. I don't know how you say it. Bigfoot Nano. It's awesome. So it's basically just a mini buffer. You can either have it oscillate or just straight up spin. I've got it on spin, but we will, I've already kind of been buffing on some of the other places, but I'm gonna go ahead and work on just kind of buffing this. It doesn't necessarily get rid of all the scratches, but it definitely gets rid of a lot of them, cleans up the stickers, and will make your rig look a lot better. I feel like there's kind of no way, if you're gonna really ride your vehicle, you're probably gonna get a few scratches. So it's best just to kind of every once in a while. And also, I might actually try it on the windshield too. That's one thing I hate about these windshields. Like you wash it one time, I swear, if you touch it with a rag or anything, it scratches the windshield. So it's really hard to keep the windshield good too. I might try to polish that also, but for sure the painted pieces on the Can-Am, they can be polished. So they might not be perfect, but we can make them look a lot better. And I just thought it'd be fun to make a quick video. So let's go ahead and I'll get this camera set up and we'll start buffing. Okay. All right, guys. So I got my light out. I thought you guys hopefully you guys can see this scratching on this. And I just want to try to, like I said, I'm cleaning it up today. Just want to try to make it look a little bit better. It doesn't get everything out, but pulling out like all this little haze here, pulling out the buffer and just kind of working on a little bit. I'm just going to use some polish. Let me show you that. This is the polish. It's not really a cutter, it's more of a polish. I'm kind of going easy on it. I don't want to get the plastic too hot, but just thought I'd show you guys, after a little while, they get a little beat. Like I said, when we ride them in the mountains, there's just no way that I'm not gonna scratch it up. So a little bit at least, but I like to take care of my stuff, like I said. So just dab a little bit on there. I got the battery hooked up to the Rupes or Rupes, and we'll just start working this a little bit here. So yeah, it's not perfect. It's not going to get like everything out, but if you look at that, the difference here, you've got that, and then you've got the scratching up here. So it still leaves like your bigger scratches, but it's going to polish it, get all the stuff, hopefully off your stickers. So yeah, I notice on the stickers especially, like it really like polish those up. So maybe at this point I'll just work on the rest of this door and then we'll kind of come back to it. I'll probably speed it up a little bit, But yeah, I really think it makes a big difference to kind of keeping the door looking good. It is painted, so I mean, just like a car, you should be able to buff it. So yeah, let's go ahead and I will kind of work on this and we'll come back to it. Okay, wipe this guy off and we'll take another look at this. All right, let's take a look at this guy. So you still have some of the bigger scratches remain, but I need to wipe that one a little better. But got all the scratching off like the stickers, and definitely all the lighter stuff is gone. So pretty cool. Anyways, thought I'd show you guys this, but it's kind of nice. If you got a little buffer, you can really clean up your door, make it look a lot better. So yeah, there you go. Quick way just to kind of clean up the old X3, make it look a little better. Like I said, it's not going to replace it's not going to fix like your big scratching, but a lot of this stuff is marks. It's not even really a scratch. So if you can kind of just polish it off, it'll make it look a lot better. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. But like I said, just doing a little cleaning up on the old X3, and thought I'd share that with you guys. They go through and do a few more panels, but yeah, there you go. It's a good way to kind of clean up your Rocky Mountain pinstripes and make them look good. All right, thanks guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.